Hi everyone, this is Oscar Nails. In this video, I will show you how to make quilted nails using magnetic gel. By using magnetic gel in Aurora powder, you can multiply the shine and make it look even more beautiful. At the end of this video, I will show you how to do it with some extra effort, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. This time, I will apply it to the nail tip, but if you are applying it to your natural nails, start by preparing your nails with nail care, removing oils with ethanol, applying a base coat and let it cure. First, apply the base color. This time, I'm going to use this maple rose. Magnetic gel may have glitter particles that settle to the bottom, so before you start applying it, roll it around to stir it up. Once mixed it, apply the magnetic gel over the entire nail. Once coated, let it harden. Then, apply second coat. Once the entire surface is coated, prepare the magnet. Slowly bring the magnet closer to the nail, then twist the magnet upwards. Repeat this process around the nail to bring the glitter to the center. Once the glitter gathers in the center, let it harden. Next, apply a non-wipe top coat over the entire surface. After this, I will rub the Aurora powder, so before that, make it smooth with the top coat. Once the entire surface is coated, let it cure. Next, rub your favorite Aurora powder. This time, I will use this yellow powder. Rather than finishing with magnetic gel alone, I recommend using it in conjunction with Aurora powder, as the color changes depending on the viewing angle. After rubbing, remove excess powder. Next, let's prepare the base coat in a small bouillon. You can use spherical bouillons or flat studs. First, take a small amount of base coat with a long thin line brush and dot it where you want to apply the bouillon. First, make 3 marks on the center line, then 2 marks on each side. Place both sides in the middle of the first mark. Once marked, place bouillon on top. Now, you have quilting marks. Then, let it cure with the light. Next, apply a non-white matte coat over this. Applying a matte coat at this point creates a contrast between the plump, glossy areas of the quilting and make the quilting pattern stand out. Once the entire surface is coated, let it cure. Next, draw the quilting pattern. I use icing gel. It is better to use a gel that is as thick as possible to prevent it from running out. Now, take some icing gel with a long thin line brush and draw a quilting pattern. Start from the middle. Draw a diamond shape along the bullion mark. Once you have shaped, add more gel to make it plump. The key here is to harden each time you draw this diamond. This way, you can draw a beautiful diamond shape without the gel flowing out. Also, instead of applying the light for a specified amount of time, it is okay to apply the light for only 5 to 10 seconds for temporarily hardening. After drawing one, draw on the top in the same way. Once you have drawn two in the middle, do the same on both sides. Draw a little space between the diamond shapes so that they don't touch each other. Once you have drawn one piece, move forward while temporarily hardening it. Once you have finished drawing everything, cure with the light firmly and for the specified amount of time. This icing gel is the type that leaves no uncured gel. So, this is it. I also added Aurora powder on top of the magnetic gel. So depending on the angle you look at it, you can enjoy both the sparkle of the magnet and the shine of the Aurora, resulting in quilted nails. There is also a different way to make quilted nails using the same magnetic gel. This method involves drawing each diamond shape pattern with magnetic gel and making each diamond sparkle using a magnet. This method takes more time, but the quilting pattern will stand out even more. How was quilting nails made with magnetic gel? Even with the same quilted nails, you can enjoy a different look just by changing the way you make them, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.